legends. Today I thought I'd do something for you that you will do almost every meal you'll see me do, is chop an onion. So, simple way to do it, cut both ends off, like so. Then cut directly in half. Peel off your outer layer until it's nice and fresh and shiny. If it's still, like if you get a little bit like that, you wouldn't take that piece, so you'd rip it off. There we go, 2 pieces there. See a few tricks and stuff getting around. I don't find it necessary to do the side cut. Pretty much you just hold the end with your finger, cut it into rings to start with, like so. Then opposite direction.
Pretty simple.
And then we have it, all chopped up into small pieces. It's that simple. Don't get it wrong next time.